Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device runs iOS 26 and is unlocked. This ensures the new wallpaper features are available. Once done, open Settings and tap Wallpaper to begin. The Wallpaper pane is where iOS surfaces System and Custom options. Make sure to back up your current background to Photos or iCloud so you can revert if needed. You're not installing anything extra. You're entering the system tool that controls lock screen, home screen, and focus-linked backgrounds. Now choose the source: Apple-supplied images, a photo from Photos, or live/animated options. You'll crop and position the image, pinch to zoom and move to frame the subject, then toggle perspective and depth to make elements shift naturally with motion. Apply filters or blur for legibility of widgets and text. If you want different contexts, link this wallpaper to a focus mode. Otherwise, decide if it applies to the lock screen, the home screen, or both before you proceed to set. Tap Set and pick lock screen, home screen, or both to finalize. This commits your selection system-wide. If the wallpaper doesn't appear or widgets overlap oddly, restart your device. Simple reboots resolve cache or display glitches. If problems persist, restore the previous background from your Photos backup and reattempt with a different image size or format. Finally, make sure low power mode or accessibility settings aren't altering appearance. Adjusting those can change contrast and animation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.